Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to unbox the Zalman T6 ATX mid-top computer case. Yes, so far just by looking at the box is pretty well designed. You got your picture of your product, you got your specifications, and you got all your different languages on the side right here. Now starting off the back wrap here, you got the tells you about the product here. You got the front design for optional ventilation, extreme compact size and space used for simple style, power supply unit top mounted structure and cool effective, easily optical disc drive installation, black interior finish, prevent corrosion and enhance the structure durability, convenient top I/O ports, USB 2.0, you got two of them and you got one USB 3.0. Alrighty. The specifications. The model is, like I said, the T6. It's an ATX mid-tower. Now keep in mind that this case just only said ATX mid-tower, but if you go to their website, it tells you to go ahead and install mini ITX, a E ATX case in there, which is the extra long micro ATX cases, and your micro ATX case in there. Dimension size is 377 diameter, 200 width by 430 height. Weight is 2.82 kilograms. Case material is still plastic. Motherboard support ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX. The maximum VGA length is 280 millimeters. The maximum CPU cooler height is 165 millimeters. Now keep in mind, if you go over 165 millimeters on the CPU cooler, you will not be able to close the side panel. Your max PSU length is 160 millimeters, and your PCI expansion slot is 7. Case drive bay is you got two 3.5s, and you got two 2.5 and one 5.2. Fan mounts. Front, you can mount two 120 millimeters. The rear is one 120 millimeter, and the side panel door you can mount one 120 millimeter. Now there is a 120 millimeter fan included, which is on the rear and the back, which that is a big plus. I/O ports is one a headphone, one microphone, two USB 2.0s, and one USB 3.0. Now keep that in mind. Everything looking good. It was spot on design of the box. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of it. Now, you got your I/O plate shield in the back, your 7 panel slots in the back, your 120 millimeter fan, top mounted power supply. The case feels a little on the light hand side, but it's got that nice durable aluminum cast iron cast fill plastic to it. Now keep in mind the I/O ports are your power switch, headphone microphone jack, two USBs, one 3.0 USB port, power, hard drive light, power light. On the side panel, you got your nice little T6 logo right there. You got your 120 millimeter fan mount on the side of the door, and keep that in mind. We are going on the inside. Instruction booklet, always good to have. If you run into any troubles, you could go ahead on and look at the instruction manual. Now, on the inside, you got your 2.5 SSDs, your ATX mini ITX and your micro ATX layout board panel there. Just like I said, your top mounted power supply, and up front you have your 3.5 hard drive mount, you have your 5.2 optical drive mount, and on the inside you can also install hard drive, 3.5 hard drive on the floor if you want to, but I will not be recommending you doing that there, because there's no airflow to the bottom to go ahead and exhaust all the hot air off the hard drive. But other than that, this is not a pretty bad case. Here you can go ahead and, like I said, you can go ahead and mount your two 120s up front. You got a 120 mounted to the back. Nice mesh panel design on the inside. Good airflow, so you know your case pull. You go ahead and do that push mechanism, pull all the cooler in and exhaust all the hot air out your case, which is a very good idea. This is one reason why you gotta go ahead and get open air design panels for your cases. If you don't, you out of gas. Other than that, what I recommend this case just for simple basic build. If you're not into the presentation flow of the RGBs, or you don't want, or you're not just into that proper aesthetic for presentation wise, everybody look on the inside of your case. If you're not that type kind of person, then this case is for you. Simple basic build, good for office, home use. If you're not the kind of type that you just want a basic simple computer build where you just go ahead and do your basic simple PC needs, such as your spreadsheets, your writing, your schooling, browsing the internet, etc., you can go ahead and you can do that there. So, but other than that, the Zalman T6 case is a good choice for non-presentation builders that wants to go ahead on and just do a simple basic build using simple basic aesthetics. Using your Intel boards or your AMD boards. It don't matter, whatever you choose, it's on up to you. But this is a very good case to use. I will recommend it. I will be putting the link in the description below. And that's about basically it. Thank y'all for watching this quick unboxing of the Zalman T6 case. Go ahead on and hit the like button if you like this video. I got more great videos coming your way. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.